Yo, what's going on everybody? Carter Payne back with another video, and today we're going to be doing stuff to Miata. We're going to go pick up a new finish panel, front bumper maybe, and a rear bumper. Hans is here, Philip is here, Connor's here. Should be a pretty good episode, and I'll see you guys on the way. He lives about 50 minutes away, so we got a little bit of a drive, but not too bad. So now we're at the gas station filling up before we go, and he has to get some money out, so does Connor. So we have to go to the ATM real quick, and then we're on the way to the guy. I told him I would be there around 4, and we're on track, so.
Also, Philip's joining us today.
Also, Philip is joining us today. We're at the guy's house. We are currently just looking at the stuff he has. I think we're gonna get a lot, but let's go look at it. Look, JDM, turboed. But that's the car we were going to buy, if you guys remember that from the past video.
That's the one that had back compression. So
yup.
Now we're here to buy the parts.
But we got the front bumper off of it, a rear bumper. We got the gold shifter, steering wheel. That's so much faster than mine. Damn, that's sick. Holy shit. Damn, that's dope. Bro, that shit was crazy. That was like one of the fastest cars I've ever been in. Okay, so we are currently unloading the stuff off the truck. Hans is super fascinated with the fact that we got aluminum thing just because he thought that was going on the car. I was like, no, it's meant for a truck. And so, look, we got the bumpers here. It's the next couple of days. And we are now putting on the rear bumper. Philip's here helping us. Hines, Connor, we're all chilling, working on the Miata. And we got that. We're gonna try to put on the rear bumper and the front bumper with a lip and see how well that works. I'm having a problem mounting it because we don't have that finish panel that hangs like, that fits all that has holes in it. But I was like, yo, why don't we just do it to right there? And I'm like, it won't pull this down. If anything, it'll just go like that. It'll just make it flush. So, we're gonna see how that works. So, we got the new steering wheel, NRG. It's a little clapped out, you guys can see. Sorry I didn't film it, it was super dark on the install, but you know, 6 Allen keys and that was it. It was easy. So, that one's installed. We also got the gold shift knob. Pretty sick. And yeah, so interior's coming along pretty nice. And now we're just trying to figure out a way to put the reflectors on because the screws, like there's no place for the screws to go. Good old to the license plate, mint.
We need to get a finish panel bad.
We do need to get a finished panel. Oh, it actually fits pretty good. What? You just look fucking dumb.
So Lowry's trying to connect the bumper through the trunk and through 2 holes down here using 4 zip ties. Doesn't look bad.
No, it looks good.
And it works.
All right, so we're trying to, there's like a little hole that goes into the trunk, and we can't put the zip tie through because that wouldn't hold it up. So we're trying to find a bolt in the nut that we can fit through here. And then we're just gonna get it to like there and put the nut on the other side, and then we'll go around this and kind of just use it as like a little hanger to keep the bumper on. But this bolt's actually kind of, I don't know if it's the bolt or the nut, but it's kind of messed up, so it only threads through like a couple.
Atlanta area, hit this fool up.
Hold on, chill, open.
Fucker.
And I brought you soup, my guy.
The nut's tight on the back. I have my other hand on the nut and I'm tightening that. So now we'll put the zip tie around it and then we'll tighten the nut all the way.
See what we're saying? So we're now taking off the front bumper, and you can see that's like the one with the lip. It's gonna look sick. Currently trying to take off the front bumper. We got it lifted up.
Okay, so Carter's taking off the front bumper
Is it still
now.
on by something? Oh, he got it. Never mind, you're straight, you're straight, you're straight.
There's the new one with the lip.
Okay, and now the front bumper is semi-placed on. We're now tightening the top bolts that hold it on together.
Depends on what kind of day it is. If it's raining,
If not, you can cut out to that part.
Okay, so the bumper's on, and obviously once it's painted, it'll look way better, but like, okay, so you can see it looks pretty dumb now because it's not painted, but that's it. It looks better. I hope you guys enjoyed, and that's gonna be the video, but it was a pretty quick install, pretty clean, and anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to check out some more of my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, and Carter Payne checking out. See you guys.
You knew this. Gold teeth like I'm toothless. Yeah, I've been running from these dreams. I've been running from my past. On my paper coming sheets, at least I'm running to the back. Drop top.